Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Maths and Fun with Poonam ma'am. In today's session or the second session of number system, you will be learning how to write a number as per the international system of numeration. And what terms come under this topic? Ones, thousand, million and billion. Okay, before learning this system, you should know the proper meaning of these words. Okay, so you can see billion. Then you can see another word, million. And you are familiar with thousand and ones, right? So million, we are talking about lakhs. We are talking in lakhs. Okay? When we are talking about billion, that means we are writing number in crores. Okay? So million. If I talk about million, here 1 million has 10 lakhs. Okay? And here 1 billion has 100 crores. ठीक है? तो when I talk about billion means 1 billion has 1 billion equals to 100 crores and 1 million means you will be talking about 10 lakhs. Now, how should we learn this system? Till the time you do not know the system of writing places, you cannot write number correctly as per this system. ठीक है? तो अब ये टेबल कैसे लर्न हो? बहुत सिंपल है. Once upon a time there were 4 friends. Once upon a time there were 4 friends. Ones, thousand, million and billion. ये 4 दोस्त थे. Now, they all were old in the age of 70. So they were best friends. One day they all were sitting in a garden and that time they decided that now we all should live together. ठीक है? हम सबको अब एक साथ रहना चाहिए so that we can have fun. ठीक है? अब बारी आई फैमिली की. Once has 3 children. Once के 3 बेटे थे. कौन कौन थे? Ones, tens and 100. Likewise, thousands also has 3 children. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Million also has 3 children. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Likewise, billion. Billion has 3 children. Billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. ठीक है? सबके 3-3 बेटे थे. अब क्या करें? They all had decided, let's buy a big house where we should have different rooms. कितने rooms चाहिए अब इन्हें? On the ground floor, there were 4 rooms. One room किसने लिया? Ones का, another room for 1,000, third room for million and fourth room for billion. अब सबके बच्चे भी तो हैं, family भी तो है. अब क्या करें? They also need a separate room. So on second floor, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. सेकेंड फ्लोर पर 12 रूम्स थे. सबको एक एक रूम मिला. वंस का जो बेटा है, I mean 3 children, all 3 have got 3 rooms. ऐसे ही thousands को भी 3 rooms. 1,000 children has also got, they also got 3 rooms. Millions children have also got 3 rooms and likewise with billion. सबको अलग अलग रूम मिल गया. अब इसका पर्पस क्या है? मैम ने स्टोरी क्यों सुनाई? So that you can learn that when we write a number as per international system of numeration, we put commas as per their period. अब क्या ध्यान रखना है? Now this system is very easy. For example, I am taking a number. Okay, I have taken this big number. Okay, so this and this. Okay, 4 periods we are going to mark. First period is your ones, then you have 1,000, then next you have millions and the last is billion. अब क्या करें? बहुत simple है. This is ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, right? Likewise, million, 10 million and this is 100 million. Moving on to next. This is billion, 10 billion and 100 million. Easy हो गया? Now, before reading, we have to separate their houses. We have to make their houses separated. ठीक है? इनके houses को अलग अलग करते हैं पहले. So, every house has 3 children. Ones के 3, thousand के 3, million 3 and billion also 3. So, every after 3 digit, you have to mark big comma. Every after 3 digit, every after 3 digit. अब हमने इनके घर को separate कर दिया. अब रीडिंग कैसे करेंगे? बहुत इजी है. आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस नंबर हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 714, सेम नंबर आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस. 139, then 416 and last is 124. अब क्या करना है? रीडिंग करनी है. वेरी सिंपल. So see how you will read. You will read from left to right. Please remember this system of reading left to right. 7 कहां पर है? ध्यान देना. 700. 7 कहां पर है? ध्यान दो बच्चा. 7 is at 100 place. 714 billion, 139 million, 416,000, 124. This is how you will write the name, in words. Okay, so I'm going to write. See, I'm going to write it in the words. 700, then 14 billion. Okay, what is next? 100, then 39 million. 39 million. What is next? 4,000, comma. 4 कहाँ है? 400. कौन सा प्लेस है? 100. 416,000. 16 is at thousands place. And last 124. है ना इजी? बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. बस एक चीज याद रखनी है, प्लेस वाइज रीडिंग करनी है. ठीक है? 714 billion, 139 million, 416,000, 124. This is how we write any number as per International System of Numeration. Okay? So you need to remember this. You need to practice it. Once you will practice, it will become very easy. As it is new to you, 4th में भी किया है वैसे, but now again after long time, after 1 year, you are again going to start your first chapter where this system is there. So only one mantra of learning maths. जैसे मैम ने कराया है ऐसे same 4 to 5 questions खुद से करो, आज ही करो, so that when your session will begin from first or second, you will be aware of this. You will be knowing how to write or read a number as per International System of Numeration. अगर आपको मेरे videos पसंद आते हैं and these are helpful to you, so I need only one thing. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. And please join the next session of this number system where I will be taking the next topic. Till the time, bye.